The rose meditation connects you with divine energy, with powerful energy of highest vibration for your creativity, for your frequency to be heightened. It will work on your chakras so that you have powerful balance, so that you can use your different qualities the best way possible in your life. It has many techniques that work with our daily lives so that we can be in ourselves, hold our own energy to belong to the world in a more balanced way. I have always been a very sensitive child. I grew up needing to learn in difficult ways on how to deal with the fact that I was always feeling what everyone else was feeling, always thinking what everyone else was thinking, and even saying what everyone else was saying. When I learned these techniques, I was finally able to separate myself from others, to know what's mine and what's not mine. And when I finally held my own energy without this mixed feeling of who is Amelia and who Amelia is not, I finally had the ability to speak my truth, to understand what I wanted, to go after my dreams. Before, I would start a sentence with the end and then go to the beginning and then finish it with the middle. The rose meditation helped me organize my inner self so that I could understand more what I wanted, what I needed, and how I could create that. So I finally had focus and I finally had understanding of who I was because I wasn't so mixed up with everyone else. As a therapist, I am working with other people's energies all the time. When I'm reading someone or when I'm helping someone, it's normal that their energy will come inside my field. So I need techniques to later on transmute that somehow, take that out of my field somehow. Otherwise, I will never have enough neutrality to keep on dealing with people because I will always be so much mixed up with everything that's going on, everything that is so intense, that is so rich with information and energy. When I work with the rose meditation, I'm able to separate myself from the other, but I'm also able to cleanse whatever might have come in. By dealing with my chakras every day, by looking inside and by cleansing, by grounding and by heightening my vibration, I'm able to have clarity on what's going on in my life, clarity on my intuition, clarity on what other people need from me, and clarity about what I need from myself.